Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is July the 6th, 2021, and I want to talk about real quick, can Ethereum come all the way up there towards that $3,000 price level? Let me show you all where it is in conjunction to where the price is right now. Can the market hit that? We're going to talk about today. We're going to try to give you all a longer term outlook to see if the prospect of Ethereum hitting $3,000, if that's actually something that come to fruition, because already you can tell from the price chart that $2,600 is going to plague that price movement trying to break up there towards $3,000. So before I start talking about that, if today's your first time ever seeing our video and our content, you guys appreciate that there's someone actually in your court trying to give you all a heads up as to where price is going to go, all without being confused. Make sure you hit that like button, right? Share the video and also subscribe here to the channel. Tap that bell notification as well to ensure that you are updated on any changes that we may see in regards to where Ethereum price is going to go. All right, so now let me take this away. You guys can tell that we did a last price prediction on June the 30th. So this is pretty much recent in terms of what we expected the market to do in Ethereum. So that's going to continue, right? You guys can see that the price since that particular day has been on increase. So we're not necessarily worried about where price is going to go right now. We just want to see if the market has enough legs, enough gas in the tank to continue to go higher in price, right? Because you guys can see ultimately our ultimate area TP is right there around $2,500, right? We're pretty much close already, but let's see how we ended the weekly time frame in the market for Ethereum. Okay, now this is pretty much what I wanted to show you all. Okay, the weekly time frame is pretty decent. I mean, 2 weeks ago, take a look at all that volume that came to the market in Ethereum. This is one thing that I tell everyone in our community. Make sure you always pay attention to the volume. The volume tells you how much gas is in the tank to continue to try to increase these market prices. And it looks pretty decent. I mean, that one volume price bar, well, that one volume bar that you see at the bottom, it stands out, right? It's higher than any other volume bar around it. So what happened on this weekly price bar? What happened? Were people selling? Were people buying? What was the majority of the action that occurred? Because definitely when you have this much volume, a lot happened on that one weekly price bar. More people were selling or more people was buying. Take a look at the result. The market was buying because we saw the market last week close higher, right? So pretty good. That tells us a lot. This tells us how much energy has been built up, has been contained, ready for the next movement to the upside of price, right? So that looks pretty decent on the weekly time frame for Ethereum. This is the 2 weeks time frame, right? We just started out a whole new 2 week price bar, but again, pay attention to this volume, right? Volume bars and price does not lie. It does not give us any stories. The market strength in Ethereum definitely came through the last 2 weeks. So there's still enough momentum to see Ethereum come up to around $2,600 to $2,800. $3,000, that's kind of stretching it, right? From a long-term basis, $3,000 is kind of stretching it right now because that volume really didn't come through to substantiate there's enough energy to push that price up to $3,000. But $2,600, $2,800, yeah, we can see that actually occur in the market for Ethereum. Take a look at this as well. Is this the trend in Ethereum? Because if so, yeah, throughout 2021, the ending half of 2021, we still need to prepare to have the market in Ethereum come all the way back down and test this overall trend. Because we are still well away from where price has been against this trend. So let's just be prepared for that. 3 weeks time frame, got 5 more days, 15 hours left, and the market so far is winning against the selling that came through on this 3 week price bar as well as this one. So we're still seeing the viability of the market wanting to buy Ethereum because the market strength is definitely showing itself forth. They're definitely trying to come through and prop up this price in Ethereum, right? He cannot hide his footprints. Once he makes a trade, once he moves the market, he leaves evidence behind. And the evidence that he leaves behind, we need to utilize that in a simplistic way so that we can understand where price is going to go. And you guys can see right here on this ascending line that I've drawn on the 3 weekly price bar, the trend is still intact, right? We're still intact to see the market in Ethereum continue its progression of movement higher. Okay, now when you see movement to the downside, of course you will, because on this last completed, or this current 3-weekly price bar, this was the prime real estate to buy Ethereum once the market touched this line. So monthly time frame, you guys can see it right here. Okay, we're starting out the month of July pretty good. I don't want everyone to become overly excited. I want everyone to be hyped just to see the market in Ethereum hit $2,600, $2,800, because again, we're not out the woods yet to see the market actually continue to go lower throughout 2021. Like, let's not be complacent. Let's not let our guard down to think that we're out the woods from this massive downtrend that started in Ethereum in May, right? I want everyone in our community to be relaxed, but still be vigilant, because we've not necessarily seen this market in Ethereum, maybe even the cryptocurrency space as a whole, continuous movement to the downside. Okay, but so far, let me do this. I'm going to increase our ultimate TP price in Ethereum, maybe around $2,600. Less probability for us to hit 28, and definitely a lot less for us to hit 3,000, right? Not right now. So I'm going to bring it down to 2,600. $2,558.60, you know, somewhere around that area. I'm not going to be pinpoint accurate on the nose in regards to where we're looking for the price to go. I just want to show you where we're looking for the market to at least grab and touch in relation to where we're trying to go, right? So this is it. That will give us about 20% profitability to see the market in Ethereum grab that. Now, I'm not saying it might not, it can happen today, it can happen tomorrow, but this is what we're looking forward to from a weekly perspective for the market in Ethereum to try to tap out around $2,500, $2,600. Okay, so that's it. I just wanted to show you, that you can look on a long-term time frame and actually gauge if the market has enough momentum to hit certain price levels. Now, the thumbnail read $3,000, but in actuality, we can see 2,600, maybe 28, but 3,000, I really don't see that from a longer-term perspective in the market for Ethereum. So now it's your turn. What do you all see on the price chart? I mean, from a long-term perspective, give me a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks time frame. Where do you see the price in Ethereum going? Okay, let me know. Drop me a comment in the comment section and tell me. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.